Gemini. This is your channel messages for the 23rd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Gemini, we're going to go straight into your channel song, and then we're going to go into your reading. Let's go, Gemini. I ain't worry about nothing, I ain't worry about nada. I'm sitting pretty impatient cause I know you gotta put in them hours, I'ma make it harder. I'm setting pictures I pick, I'm gonna get you fired. I know you're always on the night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't need no explanation, cause baby you're the boss at home. You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. Let my body do the work, 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 work. And you can work from home, oh, oh. And you can work from home, oh, oh. Gemini, can you work from home? Because I was planning that the relationship could have been a remote relationship. I don't want it to be around bitches. Kerry now organize the bumbo clotting properly. No, Kerry, you make me an alkaline candy, no, Kerry. Kerry, you're the only female in the camp for alkaline trust. And see, you have him around beer bag of cloth bitches. Kerry, organize the thing properly, no, Kerry. Kerry, man. Thing no organize for beer bitches, every bitches. If me not deal with alkaline in this lifetime, I carry fault. You should know this. Anyways, let's go ahead and go to your reading. Alright, so I'm getting you can work from home. Gemini, maybe you want your girlfriend work from home. You don't want a man see her. You don't want she there on a man. You don't want she have no work friend. No, you're like, you can work from home. Yeah, I'm getting you want somebody work from home. You don't want them around nobody. Or I'm getting Gemini, you work from home. Great, I can. While you're on Teams giving a speech as to the projection of the company. Let's go ahead. You can work from home, because you're the boss. Oh, you're the boss. Oh, he's a boss. Oh, he got money. Oh, he got a credit card. Oh, whoa. Oh my God. Oh, he has Visa points. Oh, he has air mileage. Okay, let's go ahead and go to your reading. Let's see what your overall message is. The Three of Cups. Yeah, bitches. Any old thing, if me an alkaline no day in another lifetime, yeah, I carry fault, man. Carry. The Three of Cups. So I'm getting a lot of partying, a lot of women, okay? Maybe that's why somebody want you work from home too. Them know why you mingle with some type of girls. Next thing you're going to have ambitions. You're going to want to put in on makeup. Speaking of makeup, oh my fucking God. I find this, yes, so it was sale pack, but sometimes it's donations. So I'm just asking if anybody's in the shelter and watching my channel and when missing something and me have it, so they can come to me and ask me back feet. Nevertheless, Selena, move. Selena, is Selena the rare beauty? Who the rare beauty? Me say me put on this morning. Me never know some makeup could have stayed. I cannot even understand who the rare beauty owner. Selena Gomez? Selena! The people living here probably think, what the fuck? I'll show you a demonstration again. Maybe fade off. No, this is the best fucking. Come in and wear lashes. You understand? I don't really know if we wear lashes. This is the best fucking oh shit. Yeah, this is the best fucking eye thing I have ever experienced in my life. It is so good. You don't even need and it's so easy to come off. Usually me face scrub off a face. Yeah, rare beauty is a real thing. Me never know some makeup could have stayed. It is so good. Selena, you done well. I really like that line. I'm not like I'm gonna wear lashes a long time. So I'm just let's say Selena! Selena, a little more makeup, Selena. Selena, more. Okay, I'm sorry. Three of Cups coming out first, okay? So Three of Cups is usually celebration. It is partying and with the family. Does your mascara cause coughing as a side effect? What the fuck is happening? I really like it. You have a Knight of Pentacles, okay? So Three of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. So we getting there's something about some women you have talked to for like at least a year now. Or you have some woman rotating around like a fucking record, okay? Me getting three women you know, you're very close to the three of them. I don't know if three of them know each other. But me getting you're trying to figure out who should I invest my money in. Or maybe you're saying, maybe you're the type of person you always go out with girls, buy them drinks, spend money. You don't want to be that person anymore. You want to have a girlfriend so you can go out with her, spend money on her, and go home with her. Yeah, we have the Eight of Cups. We have the Page of Pentacles. And we have the Three of Pentacles. Wait. So I'm getting work opportunity, literally. I don't know if this is working from home. Literally, Three of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. You're gonna be working for somebody, whether it's at home or not. I don't know, I'm getting, unless I'm getting the guy cheated on you, and if you work, I don't know if this is a family-owned business. I'm getting if you go to work, you're gonna know say your husband will cheat on you. Because it's either him a cheat on girls at the workplace, like him cheating with girls at the workplace, or I'm getting something about the girls them know the secret about your boyfriend, about your girlfriend. I'm getting him them and give them money. And then him come home to you. So remember, even being the baddest bitch alive, remember, a man still can embarrass you. You see the girl who cuss off, the girl who talking about she did follow Sherry, pick me, sprinkle, right? And she was a high value woman. She get one high value man, and the man put her in one house and everything. She live in a soft life, end up a final saying my molest her daughter. So all of that nice soft life, 1% men in the 1%. I have money, I have options, but no, you have options. You have so much money, you want child pussy. Sorry, YouTube. That's why you want where you have so much money. That's why I stay far from so-called high value man. You have too much blood clot value. You don't know where to put the value. And your value will always be turning over, like in trading. Your high value, you can get any girl, any man. If you didn't want to be gay, you could get it too. You can get everything. Nobody says no to you because you're such a high value man. Okay. High value man, I molest him wife, daughter. So you can tell them things because you have money with somebody in life. Continue doing that. Jesus did not have any money. Who was he in life? There we go. Me getting work from home. No, me getting be careful because I feel like you try for ask your job to make you work from home. You're going to start getting intoxicated at your house. You're going to be drinking and going to work. I don't know if you do customer service, or I don't know if you just don't have to come into office. You just go on the client's, you go to the client's house and perform whatever service this is. But I'm also getting something about no females. Maybe there's no females don't work at this place. So if you don't want any bitches around your man, that's a great deal. You're not so, yeah, I'm getting no females. No females. Or I'm getting the man don't want you to be around any influencing females. So you're suggesting you work from home. Something at your 5 of Cups. Somebody don't want these girls for swear you go drink with them and end up kiss somebody else or have sex with somebody else. We're getting somebody hate your friend group. They could hate your co-workers, which is why they're asking you to work from home. I don't know who your man is. Do you work for your man? Or you work for this guy? 7 of Cups. Yeah, I'm getting you a drink. If you ever say you want to work from home, you're drunk. You're drunk from 7, 8, from before you go to work, on the call or on the webcam, you're drunk. Maybe that's why you try to make somebody abandon them friends so them can get depressed and want to party alone and drink alone. We have the 7 of Swords, 7 of Wands, and we have the 4 of Pentacles. We have 77 here. Now 77 is usually a setup. Don't like the 7s. Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. I don't trust 7s. Unless I'm getting you and your boyfriend work at the same place, for some reason you stop work, but him a collect your paycheck. Me getting him a collect your money. Or me getting, that's why, if you were supposed to be a part of a company, that's why you weren't a part of the company. Me getting, because when him go out on the road or when him go to clients, him can't flirt with women in front of you. Me getting, when him got clients home, him a flirt with the women, or maybe him had work booze, him was having sex with these women. Women are touch him up at work, all type of things, I kiss him, all type of, I leave them lipstick and perfume scent on him. Yeah, me getting, that's why somebody never want you to work with them, even though you went from a business. Somebody tell you to stay home and make them go work, even though you and them going a business together. It's because you would find out how much girls they've been fucking at the workplace. That's basic. Basically, that was it. So that's why you should work from home. Ha 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 ha. I want to work from home. Kundalini. I'll work from home. I told you COVID-19 and the whole shutdown, it just taught us how to live alone. In prisons, yeah, you feel like a prison, you couldn't go nowhere, you couldn't meet nobody. And even if you didn't want to meet people, people were too scared to get sick to even meet you. In prisons. Is working from home a prison? It might be. But how do you feel taking that transportation in the mornings? Use protection. Wow, okay. What is this? Hidden prisons use protection awards. Unless there's, oh, so I'm getting the man who you're going to business with, him gay. That's why he's scared shitless, you find out. Him gay. That's why you were staying at home. You had to work from home, you had to stay home because apparently your two other co-workers were fucking each other. And you can't be there if they feel very scintillating and they want to kiss each other, the shit. You're going to be there. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.